Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter noodles. First, gather your ingredients. About 8 ounces of noodles, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You'll also need fresh garlic, ginger, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Make sure your cooking tools, like a pot and a mixing bowl, are ready for use. Next, let's create the delicious sauce. In a medium bowl, combine the 1/2 cup of peanut butter with the 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Whisk everything together, slowly adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Now, cook your noodles. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and add your 8 ounces of noodles, cooking them according to package directions until they are al dente. Drain the noodles well, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. Transfer the warm noodles to your mixing bowl and pour the peanut butter sauce over them. Toss until every strand is beautifully coated. Finally, it's time to serve your amazing peanut butter noodles. Garnish them with a sprinkle of chopped green onions and a dash of toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor and crunch. These noodles are perfect served immediately as a satisfying main course or a delightful side dish. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.